We're on the other side of Montana Roja. There's actually also a parking called Montana Roja, which is closer to the nude beach of La Tejita than this one. So if you want to go to this beach, which is actually El Medano, and it's part of Reserva Natural Especial Montana Roja. So what I saw on the internet is that both this beach El Medano and Montana Roja, and then something like Calelita Montana Roja over there, should welcome nudism. My experience is that usually this close to a town, no nudism on the Canary Islands. But let's see if this time it's different. Let's walk in southwestern direction and see if we can spot any nudists. And as you can hear, we're close to the airport. We're actually just south of the airport. El Medano, this part of the beach, there's a nudist. Closer to Montana Roja seems to be the nude beach. I've already spotted a couple of nudists. The sand is very beautiful, a beautiful hue, very beautiful color, yellowish. And yeah, I think this is probably the best spot. So far, this is my favorite beach. If I would go for a swim in the nude, I would go here. Let's walk up till the end, see if we can spot some more, and then come to a conclusion. By the way, Montana Roja can be climbed, so if you feel like climbing that mountain, definitely do so. Montana Roja. So we are now beyond the sandy part of the beach, and this is probably the Calelita Montana Roja, where nudism is also allowed, or at least where nudists take the liberty to take off their clothes. Very beautiful here. The vibe that I'm getting in this southeastern part of the island is very similar to Gran Canaria's what's it called again? I can't come up with the name of the most important nude beach. Playa de Montana. So it has a bit of a Maspalomas vibe here, even though we don't have any dunas. But just the feel that I'm getting here, yeah, Maspalomas style. Lots of people also here, so you won't be lonely, or at least you won't be alone. Still be lonely. I'm gonna check out the furthest end, but I think this is Calelita Montana Roja. Next beach, Montaña de Pelada, which should be there at the end, just beyond El Medano, and that should be in the top 5 of most beautiful nude beaches of Tenerife.